Namaste. Hey everybody, I am super excited about my workshop coming up at Omega Institute, July 21st to 23rd. The campus is set in nature. It's really beautiful there. Our focus is on how to stay heart-centered during challenging times. Of course, you'll get all the great Ashaya techniques. We're going to integrate the 5 elements, earth, water, fire, air, and sky, into body, mind, and heart with deep meditation, mantra chanting, asana practice. There's going to be some really amazing partner work and hands-on adjusting, which happens when I teach live in person. So I hope you'll join me. It's really a great way to elevate your happiness, reconnect with your heart, and develop a deeper practice of yoga, meditation, mantra, pranayama, and joy. Hope to see you there.